What were those two? I think this one. 14 upon 16 is equals to. Today, Apurva and Shaurya are not here. Okay, is equals to 7 upon dash. This question we have done now. This question we have done. Yesterday, those who were present in the fifth period, right, Avika? Avika, we have done this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done this. We have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
in two divided
Period.
in 8. Okay. Yeah. Next question was 3 upon dash is equals to 15 upon 20. I asked you to leave some space here in between. You should leave some space here in between, and here it will be 15 upon 20. Okay. So how will you make it? 15, 3, 5 are 15. So 5 you will write here. 5 की टेबल में 20 कब आता है? 5 1 are 5, 5 1 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20. So here it will be 4. Okay, now write down the third one. Sorry. Write down the third one. 1 upon 4 is equals to dash upon 16. Space beta should be there. There should be some space so that we can write down. 1 upon 4 is equals to dash upon 16. Now see, what is here? Which side is given? Left side or right side? Which side is given to us? Left side or right side? This is left side, this is right side. Which side is given?
Right side. Ma'am, left
Right
side.
Left side is given to us. And what is given? Denominators. 4 को 16 बनाना है. 4 को 16 बनाना है. Multiply करें या divide?
Divide.
Divide. 4 को
Ma'am, multiply.
4 को 16 बनाना है. Divide करोगे?
Ma'am, multiply.
Yes, multiply. Very good, Ayushi. 4 को आप multiply करेंगे. किससे multiply करें? कि 4 को 16 बनाना है तो किससे
Ma'am,
multiply
4
करें?
से. Ma'am, 4 से.
Very good. If you are multiplying the denominator, तो numerator भी 4 से multiply करना. Okay, and 1 4 से कितना हो जाएगा? 4.
4.
Okay. Now number 4 question. 3 upon 7 equals to. So here, which side is given to us? I don't have left space here. What is given to us? This side or that side? Left or right? What side is given to us?
Left.
Left side is given to us. Left का क्या दिया हुआ है? Numerator. 3 को 9 बनाना है. How will you make 3 to 9?
Ma'am, 3 multiply by 3.
Multiplying किससे?
Ma'am, 3 से.
3 से. 3 से multiply ऊपर करेंगे तो 3 से नीचे भी करोगे. Okay, so 7 3s are how much?
21.
Okay, now fifth question. Five upon 15 is equals to dash upon 30. Now see, अब which side is given? Left side. Left side का क्या दिया हुआ है?
Left side.
Denominator. 15 को 30 बनाना है, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे या डिवाइड?
मैम मल्टीप्लाई।
मल्टीप्लाई।
बिकॉज यू हैव टू गेट द बिगर नंबर। बिगर नंबर में आप क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई। किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि 30 आ जाए? 15 1 जा 15, 15
2 नहीं
30
2 जा 30 and 2 जा here and 5 2 जा become 10 here.
10
Okay. Now the sixth one is the first one, dash upon 10 is equals to 1 upon 2. Now see, that which side is given, this side or that side?
मैम राइट साइड।
Right side. Okay. Now we have to make 2 to 10. 2 को 10 बनाना है। कैसे बनाएंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करके या डिवाइड करके?
मल्टीप्लाई।
मैम मल्टीप्लाई करके।
मल्टीप्लाई करके। अपॉन में आप क्या लिखोगे? 5 and 5 here. 5 1 जा 5. Done? Do it quickly.
No ma'am.
Do it. Completed. Once you have done this, tell me, ma'am, I have done. We are going to start question number C. Question C. Question C is find the next four. Find the next four equivalent fractions. Find the next four equivalent fractions. Question number 1. 4 upon 9. This is very easy. I will tell you. I'm just writing question first. Only first question I will do. Next question you are going to do. Two upon 5, 3, 7 upon 11, 4, 1 upon 8. See, this is the first number and you have to find its four equivalent fractions. Sorry, do not put the arrow. Do not put the arrow. Put an equal to sign. Equivalent fraction means to multiply. So what you are going to do, next 4 we have to write. This is the first one. Next 4 means 1. Look here first of all. Do it afterwards. Otherwise you will not be able to understand it. Look here on the board. Yes, Arif, look here on the board. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Why I have made 4 blanks? Because I have to write next 4 equivalent fractions. Okay, first one is this one, so I made 4 blanks. So, first question will be, wait a minute. Wait a second, just give me a minute. I'm just clicking a picture, that's it. Okay, see now. I made 4 blanks. Okay, now I'm going to read the table of 4 and fill it in the numerators. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Make sure और छोटा सा if you want to remind कि आपका fraction गलत था बेटा fraction अगर आपने 9 के 18 की जगह 27 यहाँ लिख दिया है तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा ये. दिस इज योर टर्न. 2 3 4 और यहाँ पे करोगे 5. So 4 5 is what? 4 5 20. ओके. और नीचे देखो ये छोटा छोटा लिख लेना रफ के लिए. और एज यू फिनिश इट रब दिस 2, रब दिस 3, रब दिस 4, रब दिस 5. ओके. 9 2 यहाँ पे फिल करोगे 2 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 4 36, 9 5 45. Okay, and now rub this 2 3 4 5. Okay, do it. Do all for yourself. And send me the answers. I want to see your answers. Correct. So it is very easy. So I'm going to write the answers once. 4 upon 10 is equals to, I'm making first 1, 2, 3 and 4 blanks. Sorry. I'm putting in equal to sign. Why an equal to sign? I'm putting why not comma? Because they are equal. That's why I'm putting in equal to sign. Okay. Now see, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 11 5s are 55. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2s are 2, 3s are 3, 4s are 4, 5s are 5. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
My is correct.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to start the next question number D. We just finish it up quickly. Within 5 minutes, we can complete it. Only 5 minutes are left and we can complete it. It is very easy. Okay, now see. Question number D. Question number D now. Question number D, you have write an equivalent fraction. Write an equivalent fraction by dividing. It is same as the question number B. It is same as question B. Okay. बस इसमें उसमें you have to think कि multiply करना है या divide करना है. इसमें you have to just divide it. Okay. So question number 1 is 18 upon 24. So the question is 18 upon 24. We have to write its equivalent fraction by dividing. Okay. So what you have to think here, ये 18 और 24 बेटा मल्टीप्लाई तो हम किसी से भी कर देते हैं, लेकिन डिवाइड करने में वी हैव टू थिंक कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर किसकी सेम टेबल में आ रहा है. किसकी सेम टेबल में आ रहा है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर? 18 and 24.
3.
हाँ
3.
3 की सेम टेबल में आ रहा है. कुछ बोलेंगे 3 की टेबल में आ रहा है, कुछ बोलेंगे 6 की टेबल में आ रहा है. इफ यू कैन सी 6 की टेबल में भी तो आ रहा है.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
कोई बोलेंगे 2 की टेबल में भी आ रहा है, दोनों 2 से डिविजिबल भी है. ऑल आर करेक्ट. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. आप 2 से भी कर सकते हो, आप 3 से भी कर सकते हो, आप 6 से भी कर सकते हो. सो एज दे सेड 3, तो मैं 3 से ही कर देती. 3/3. आप 6 से भी कर सकते हो, but the answer will be different and it is not wrong. All are correct. So 3 की टेबल में 18, when it comes 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So I'm going to put 6 here. 3 की टेबल में 24 कब आता है? 8.
मैम 8 जा.
So 18/24 is equals to 6/8. So we get the equivalent fraction of 18/24. Okay, understood. Now do the second one. Draw the line in between. Okay. Next question is 30/50. Do it yourself. You have to do it yourself. One, two. Third question is here.
ये तो मैंने कहाँ रख दिया?
What is this? 12/60 is equals to dash. Do it quickly, everyone. Do not waste any time. Just quickly and do it. This is the third question. This is the fourth question. It's 32/40 is equals to dash. Quickly copy the questions. Less than 1 minute is left. Please copy the question first. Copy down all the questions. You can get different answers. It is not compulsory that you will get the same answer. Be quick. Okay, I'm going to end this meeting. Shall I end this? Okay, I'll give you these questions again.